Hey, it's Laura with your latest tech update. Even if it's just the occasional day, what percentage of your team work remotely? 3/4 of businesses now have people regularly working away from the office. But business owners and managers aren't thinking enough about their cybersecurity. We've been looking at a recent survey on planned IT spending. Today, only half of businesses have cloud-based security protection that works anywhere. Another 15% are looking into it, and only 9% are planning to prioritize security this year. This is worrying because cyber attacks are going up. Right now, we're seeing more data breaches, ransomware attacks, and business email compromises than ever before. If you're not 100% sure you're fully protected, get a reputable technology partner to audit your setup. Of course, we'd be happy to help. That's your tech update. More next week.